social justice, service, and community empowerment. And in this collaboration, social work interns are ready for that.
To formally vote today's ceremony, may we invite Professor Jackie Lustre, RSW, MSSW, to deliver her welcoming remarks. Let us give her a round of applause.
Project Pearls, One Side Foundation Incorporated, Tondong Medical Center, Caritas Manila, at Family Planning Organization of the Philippines, Manila Chapter.
Good day, everyone.
Nagsisimula ang
On behalf of our institution, CT University, I warmly welcome our distinguished representatives from our series of institutions, University President Dr. Yan Kiwi CPA, Vice President for Academic Affairs Dr. William Vice President for Admin Affairs Dr. Porfirio Catolico Jr., our Officer in Charge, Dean of College of Arts and Sciences, Dr. Nelson Ayake, Honorable Mayor Jeannie N. Salvador, City Mayor, Board of Regents Chair, Councilor Nadia Vicencio, City Council, Board of Regents for Education, and of course, our partner agency, Tondo Medical Center, Tondo Medical Center, Sir, our partner agency, Tondo Medical Center, represented the Chief of Medical Services, Jan Robalvin, together with Miss April Miren Mundo, from our Onesmo Foundation, Jericho Kalanday, and our faculty members, Professor Alexandria Lane Peña, Miss Grace Bernadette Irin, and our dear students and alumni. Today marks a meaningful milestone as we formalize our partnership through the signing of the Memorandum of Agreement for the internship program of social work students. This agreement is more than a document. It is a shared commitment to nurturing the future social workers who are not only competent in their profession but also compassionate in serving individuals, families, and communities. Through your guidance and mentorship, our interns will gain invaluable experiences that will shape them into ethical, responsive, and transformative professional. To our partner agencies, thank you for opening your doors and becoming an essential part of our students' learning journey. We deeply value your trust and collaboration in helping us fulfill our mission, informing socially responsible and service-oriented graduates. May this partnership contribute to flourish, creating meaningful opportunities for learning service and positive social impact. Thank you, and may God bless us all.
Thank you, Professor Jackie Lustre.
This afternoon will not be complete without acknowledging the presence of our highly esteemed partner institutions and distinguished guests.
To formally lead this segment, we invite Professor Madonna Ang Sundiam, RSW, MSSW, and MPA, the Program Chair of Bachelor of Science in Social Work.
Thank you very much, of course. Good afternoon to our city officials, to our school officials, social work students, incoming interns, parents, guardians, partner agencies. Great afternoon. This MOA signing is more than just an agreement. MOA signing represents two different people, two different perspectives, two different beliefs that comes as one. Dalawang magkaiba na paniniwala, dalawang magkaiba na ahensya, dalawang magkaiba na layunin, pero iisa ang hangarin, ang makatulong sa kapwa, lalong-lalo sa mga vulnerable sectors. MOA signing is more than just a pact between two different people and two different agencies. MOA signing is an agreement wherein social work interns together with their partner institutions agreed in promoting common goods, in developing future social workers while harnessing their beliefs and talents towards the common good. MOA agreement is understanding what the agency supervisors can provide from their lens of expertise, their years of services, and the purpose and dedication as a social workers. Students like you, interns like you, come at this point to offer the theoretical concepts that you had over the past 3 years of your lives. MOA signing will always give you the idea that what is written in the agreement is an agreement of pact towards changing both worlds for a better reason. Again, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, interns. Good afternoon, partner agencies and representatives. I hope this MOA signing will be the reason why each and every one of us will have the best purpose for tomorrow. Have a great afternoon.
Thank you so much, Professor Madonna Ang Sundia.
The heart of today's celebration is rooted in partnership. Now, we give the floor to our partner agency representatives who have graciously opened their doors to our interns.
Let us welcome our representatives from various agencies who will deliver their inspirational messages to our students. Let's give them a round of applause to Tondo Medical Clinic's Social Work Department.
Ayan. So, good morning everyone. So, it's an honor to be here. So, hindi po ako si your 2 joints muna tayo dyan. So, 2 joints to all the students. Okay. So allow me to read my inspiring message to all of you po. So, this is my second time na makapunta sa school nyo at kinagagalak ko pa rin na maging bahagi po ang Tondo Medical sa mga activities and partnership na meron tayo. I am here with my training officer, Ma'am April May Raimundo, one of the supervisors. And just to acknowledge, I am very happy po talaga. Nakikita ko yung mga former students natin, practicumer na successful, the power summa cum laudes and cum laudes of this batch. Proud kami sa inyo. Okay? So, today marks more than the signing of a memorandum agreement. So, hindi lang ito about sa pagsasign natin ng agreement or memorandum of agreement. It marks the beginning of our shared commitment to shape future social workers. So, naniniwala kami at itatawag na natin yan kay Universe na soon kayo ay tatawagin ng mga RSW. Agree? Yeah. So, these social workers who will serve with compassion, integrity, competence, and a genuine heart of humanity. So, to our Bachelor of Science in Social Work students, sabi ko nga, to our, kung ang DSWD may angels in red vest, so to our angels in blue vest, so, kayo yung mga angels in blue vest namin, may this partnership open our doors to meaningful learning, transformative experience, and opportunities to become a catalyst of hope. Diba? Hindi lang catalyst of change, dapat catalyst of hope and positive change. So, let every community and every patient we serve, sa mga pasyente na mapupunta sa field ng medical, sa Tondo Medical Center, so, and every client you assist, and every life you touch, reminds that the social work not merely a profession. Hindi po ito lamang profession. It's a calling. Naniniwala kayo? Diba sabi nga, marami ang tinawag, pero konti lang ang lumapit. Di ba, iniba ko? So, ibig sabihin, hindi naman talaga lahat tayo well-known dun sa profesyon. Pero eto na, nandito na tayo, tinatawag na kayo, so naniniwala ako na tatapusin ninyo ang profesyon. Okay? So, as we formalize these collaborations, may we continue to strengthen the bridge between the academic excellence and real-world practice, empowering future social workers to uphold the dignity, worth, and rights of every individuals. So, together, let us inspire and empower and transform lives on act of service of a time. So, as our partners po, siyempre nag-start na po kami niyan last year pa po at nung mga previous year pa po. Pero yung pagpapracticum ng mga estudyante, last year talaga yan na-formalize at naging maganda yung product po nito. So siguro medyo ano po, hamon ito sa susunod na batch. Okay? So ang gagaling po ng mga estudyante nito po. So, as our partners strengthen and continue, sabi ko nga, ika nga, dapat lahat tayo ay sama-sama. Dapat po, walang maiiwan, walang mag-iiwanan, at walang iiwanan. That's all. God bless you all po.
Thank you so much, Mr. John Robalvin, RSW Chief Medical Social Work Department and Social Welfare Officer. We now proceed to the most awaited highlight of the event, the official signing of Memorandum of Agreement. This ceremonial signing formally seals the collaborative commitment between the City of Malabon University and our partner institutions in advancing social work education through hands-on field instruction.
As your agency is called, we kindly invite the official representatives, accompanied by assigned students, interns, and university officials, to proceed to the front for the signing ceremony. First, we have Family Planning Organization of the Philippines, Metro Manila Chapter. May we call on Miss Jonna May E. Gonzalez, Miss Annie Ezruelo, and Miss Christine Jane Madrid. Next, we have Project Pearls. May we call on Miss Princess Anne P. Behamino, and we have Onesimo Foundation Incorporated. May we call on Mr. Chris Jericho Kalakday. And we have Tondo Medical Center. May we call on the Chief Medical Social Work Department and Social Welfare Officer for Mr. John Roby Valdez, alongside with Social Welfare Officer 1, Miss April May T. Raimundo. And last, we have Caritas Manila Incorporated. May we call on Miss Yishin I. Fernandez.
To our We would also like to acknowledge the presence of our Dean of College of Arts and Sciences, Dr. Nelson Leagi. Please give him a round of applause. Also, of course, our Honorable Mayor Jeannie N. Sandoval, City Mayor and Board of Regents Chair. Of course, we also have our Councilor, Nadia Vicencio, our City Councilor, Board of Regents for Education. Let us make this moment memorable as we witness the unity of purpose between the academic and professional sectors. our representatives, you may now go to the front and sign the Memorandum of Agreement. Please proceed to the front.
To present all student interns, we now invite Ms. Jenna May Pajes to share her message of gratitude and commitment.
Good afternoon to our esteemed faculty, administrators, partner agency delegates, and fellow students. Today marks an exciting milestone for us social work students. Signing this Memorandum of Agreement represents more than just fulfilling our academic curriculum. It symbolizes a bridge between City of Malabon University and the agencies that are here with us, namely Family Planning Organization of the Philippines, Metro Manila Chapter, Project Pearls, Onesimo Foundation Incorporated, Tondo Medical Center, and Caritas Manila Incorporated. On behalf of my fellow interns and as the class representative, we would like to express our deepest gratitude to our mentors, especially to Professor Madonna Angsundiam, RSW, MSSW, MPA, who dedicated herself to teaching us not only the knowledge and skills of social work, but also how to become social workers with wisdom, compassion, integrity, and genuine heart for service. Without your unwavering guidance, patience, and compassion, we would not be where we are today, ready to take the next step in our academic journey and future profession. We also extend our sincere appreciation to our school internship supervisors for their dedication and hard work in making this partnership possible. Your efforts have created valuable opportunities for us to learn, grow, and serve our communities through meaningful field education. To partner agencies, thank you for opening your doors and trusting us to contribute to your team. We understand that responsibility that comes with this opportunity. We are eager to apply the theories we've learned in the classroom to real-world challenges, observe industry best practices, and grow under your guidance. We are ready to grow in this field. We commit to bringing our dedication, professionalism, and enthusiasm to this internship. We are ready to learn, and we look forward to a successful and mutually beneficial partnership. Thank you and congratulations to all of us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Jenna May Pajes. Let us now proceed to the awarding of certificates. In recognition of our valued partner agencies for their support and collaboration, may we respectfully invite Professor Grace Bernadette T. Harin, RSW, MSSW, to present the certificates of appreciation to our distinguished partners.
Okay, may we invite our agency supervisors to please come in front for our awarding of certification. And our Dean, Dr. Leage. So let me read the citation of the Certificate of Appreciation. City of Malabon University awards this Certificate of Appreciation to Tondo Medical Center for their recognition for the agency's active participation and invaluable partnership with the City of Malabon University's Bachelor of Science in Social Work, batch 2026 to 2027, given the 16th of July 2026 at CMU, signed by Professor Madonna Angsundiam, Dr. Nelson A. Liage, Dr. Glenn D.V. De Leon, and Dr. William D.C. Enrique. Okay, for now, let's call on from Onesimo Foundation Incorporated to please come in front for the awarding of Certificate of Appreciation. So again, CMU Certificate of Appreciation is presented to Onesimo Foundation Incorporated in recognition for the agency's active participation and invaluable partnership with the City of Malabon University's Bachelor of Science in Social Work, batch 2026 to 2027, given the 16th of July 2026 at the City of Malabon University, signed by Professor Madonna Angsundiam, Dr. Nelson A. Liage, Dr. Glenn D.V. De Leon, and Dr. William D.C. Enrique. Let's give them a round of applause. Project Pearls. And now for the Project Pearls, please come in stage. Okay, City of Malabon University awards the Certificate of Appreciation to Project Pearls for recognition of the agency's active participation and invaluable partnership with the CMU's Bachelor of Science in Social Work, batch 2026 to 2027, given the 16th of July 2026 at the City of Malabon University, signed by Professor Madonna Angsundiam, Dr. Nelson A. Liage, Dr. Glenn D.V. De Leon, and Dr. William D.C. Enrique. Okay, thank you. Okay, next, may we call on the Caritas Manila Incorporated. Certificate of Appreciation is presented to Caritas Manila Incorporated in recognition for the agency's active participation and invaluable partnership with the City of Malabon University's Bachelor of Science in Social Work, batch 2026 to 2027, given the 16th of July 2026 at CMU, signed by Professor Madonna Angsundiam, Dr. Nelson A. Liage, Dr. Glenn D.V. De Leon, and Dr. William D.C. Enrique. Okay, for the next. Family Planning Organization of the Philippines, Metro Manila Chapter. Certificate of Appreciation is presented to FPO, P Metro Manila Chapter in recognition for the agency's active participation and invaluable partnership with the CMU's Bachelor of Science in Social Work, Batch 2026 to 2027, given the 16th of July 2026 at the CMU, signed by Professor Madonna Ansundiam, Dr. Nelson A. Liage, Dr. William D.C. Enrique, and Dr. Glenn D.B. De Leon. So, Certificate of Appreciation is presented to Dr. Nelson A. Liage in recognition of your valued presence and participation in the Memorandum of Agreement signing of CMU Bachelor of Science in Social Work Agencies and pinning and vesting ceremony with the theme titled Beyond Service, Bound by Purpose, a Social Work Pinning and Vesting Ceremony. Given the 16th of July 2026 at the CMU Hall, signed by Professor Madonna Ansundia, Dr. William D.C. Enrique, Dr. Glenn D.B. De Leon. Sir, ayan. Okay, next. Certificate of Appreciation is presented to CMU iConnect in recognition of your outstanding media coverage and significant contribution to the successful implementation on the pinning and vesting ceremony of CMU Bachelor of Science in Social Work with the theme entitled Beyond Service, Bound by Purpose, a Social Work Pinning and Vesting Ceremony given this 16th of July 2026 at CMU University Hall. Signed by Professor Madonna Ansundia, Dr. Nelson A. Liage, Dr. William D.C. Enrique, and Dr. Glenn D.B. De Leon. May we kindly invite Sir Balbin and Ma'am Raimundo for the awarding of Certificate of Appreciation. And the representatives from the Project Pearls, Caritas, FPOP.
Also to award and give grace, may I kindly call on Ms. Alexandria Lake Cardenas Peña in her contribution as field instructor for the upcoming internship program, together with Professor Grace Bernadette P. Hareen, one of the field instructor as well for FI1. Picture it po tayo kasama yung mga interns. Okay lang po, bababa po tayo. Yes po. Interns, tayo kayo. Tayo, tapos fill niyo yung gaps. Fill niyo yung gaps. Alright. Sige, may we kindly invite everyone to please blend with our fourth year students. Sige po. Fill in yung gaps. Fill in the gaps. Sige, iba ba? Yung ibang maliliit na hindi kita dito kay mga anak. Ay, yung mga anak kong pinagpala sa high. Dito tayo sa anak. Sige, sige po. Forward, tara na po. Pia, Kim. Upo yung iba. Upo yung iba. Pia, Kim. Bilis, para kita kayo. Dito kayo. Ayan. Sige. Kita po ba lahat? Kita lahat, Javan? Kita po? Sige po. In a matter of 5, 4. Host, ayaw niyang sumali? Host. 5, 4, 3, 2, 500,000. Okay, one more time. Finger heart. 1, 2, 500,000. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
As we conclude today's event, we would like to invite once again the Program Chair of the Bachelor of Science in Social Work, Professor Madonna Ang Sundiam, RSW, MSSW, and MPA, to deliver her closing remarks. Let's give her a warm round of applause.
Thank you very much. First, to our partner agencies, representatives, the deans, the administration, and of course, the whole Malabon and CMU students. To the young dreamers, you who would often wonder why opportunities like this seems when you're young, and why do you always ask yourself why things are hard for you, and why you keep on surviving since you were young. Sometimes I know you had questions yourselves. Why did I choose social work? And why am I here? But you have to check on, look back from the day you had asked yourself, bakit nga ba social work yung pinili ko? What I have learned that we cannot change the past, but we can always influence the future. The frustration, disappointments, and regret that once weighed heavily on each and every one of you became the very reason why you are here. As future registered social worker, you have to realize that you are not just born for a reason. You are all born for a purpose. This internship is not just as easy as pie as you would keep on asking every one of you. Some of you might feel overwhelmed with different expectations. Some of you would even ask, will I survive? Will I make it through? Some of you might be questioning yourselves after getting out from this four wall of CMU Hall. Papasa ba ako? But the next question is, have you ever wondered, paglabas nyo ng CMU Hall, kung mahahanap nyo ba ang totoong wise nyo? Way back when you were still first year, I would keep on asking you, finding your wise. Tama po ba? Right? Aba, syempre po. On the first day that I had met you, I remember the creepy experience, even counting 4 different individuals who was supposed not to be in your class. Tama ba? May nadagdag na 4 na klaseng estudyante na hindi naman supposed to be na nandun nung ako na walang bigla. But what does it mean? Those 4 children represents the 4 years that had been with you all throughout in your journey of becoming. Sila yung mga multo ng nakalipas nyo na kada taon, unti-unting umaangat na. Kasi nakikita nyo na yung purpose of becoming nyo. Yung 4 na estudyante na kasama nyo sa school lab ay hindi lang basta estudyante. Sila ang multo, unti-unti ninyong bibigyan kasi unti nyo nang mahanap yung dahil bakit kayo napunta dito sa internship na to. I want you to understand that your internship is more than just a compliance. Your internship is about understanding your purpose. Your internship is all about learning from your supervisors. Your internship is all about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to find 5 different reasons why you have to wake up each day. You have to look for 4 different purposes why you have to keep on going no matter how hard your struggles is. You have to give me at least 3 best reasons why you have to keep moving forward. 2 reasons why do you think you have to survive internship, and 1 great reason why do you have to call yourself as RSW. Your 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in social work laboratory is not just 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Those are your counts in finding your purpose. To the social worker professors in here, thank you very much for the dedication. Palakpakan niyo naman yung mga social worker. To the partner agencies, thank you very much for the opportunities. Maraming salamat po. More than theoretical concepts, yung mga bata na to, handa na nilang makita ang totoong mundo. To the administrators, both in the university and in the institution and city of Malabon, I am saying thank you very much for the past 4 years. Dedicating this final pinning ceremony and MOA signing together with you may be not easy for me, but I will always believe that this will always be the most meaningful gift that I would ever receive. Just like the Little Prince that I would keep on telling stories to you, a book that was given to me way back, I want you to understand that you will always be the Little Prince in each and every one of you. You will always be the captain of your ship and the pilot of your soul. So social work interns, padayon, this is the beginning. Walang aayaw, pwedeng mapakot, pero walang mag-quit. With that, have a great day.
Thank you so much, Professor Madonna Ang Cynthia.
And now, may I respectfully request everyone to rise for the singing of the CMU hymn.
shall put you in our hearts. Sing and hear the story, love. The blue and gold shall live forever. Alma Mater, sing and blue. The blue and gold shall live forever. Alma Mater, sing and blue. Alma Mater, sing and
This concludes our Memorandum of Agreement signing ceremony. We sincerely thank our partner agencies for their support, our students for their dedication to their service, and our faculty for their continued commitment to excellence.
May this partnership inspire meaningful collaboration as we continue to develop competent, compassionate, and committed future social workers.
Once again, I am Kanza Cloud Masamo.
And I am Juliana Micaela E. Mariano. We are your Masters of Ceremony. Thank you everyone for being part of this special occasion. You have the best and a meaningful afternoon.
At ang Memorandum of Agreement signing na ginanap ngayon ay kadugtong lamang ng third pinning and vesting ceremony ng social work. Ang mga partner agencies na kasama ngayon ay ang Project Pearls, Onisimo Foundation Incorporated, Tondom Medical Center, Caritas Manila, at Family Planning Organization. Ngayon ay makakapanayam natin ang isa sa mga representative at chief ng Social Work Department ng Tondo Medical Center. Si Hello po, Mr. Balvin. Hello po. So, CMI Connect po kami. Ako po si Julia Zuniaga. Ask lang po namin, ano po yung standards na na-meet ng CMI? Kaya po, napili niyo po makipag-partnership sa kanila.
With regards to the standard, so every training kasi namin na kinoconduct, so meron kaming mga manuals. So based dun sa competency base na meron, so yung mga previous CMU student natin, so na-meet nila yung mga standards na sinasabi or dinidikta doon sa ating manuals. So that's why we open again our partnership sa CMU for the second time around para naman sa another batch of social workers natin.
Eh, bakit naman po specifically social work lang po?
Actually, ang Tondo Medical Center is a tertiary training hospital. So, hindi lang social workers yung mga profession na tinitrain dito. So, may doctors, nurses. So, on our department, yung Medical Social Work Department, so, exclusively, mga BS Social Work yung tinitrain po natin. So,
Last na lang po, ano po yung mga benefits na makuha ng mga intern po na papasok sa inyo, sa company po?
Ayun. So, as practicumer sa amin dito sa Tondo Medical Center, basically yung competency, yung knowledge, skills, and attitude na in particular ng pagiging isang medical social worker, yung isa sa mga pwede nilang makuha o ma-achieve sa amin while in the field. Tas isa pa, siyempre, yung mga best experience on how to handle clinical cases of social work case management.
Ayun lang naman po. Maraming salamat po. Thank you po. Thank you po. Ayun po, si John Roe Balvin, Mr. John Roe Balvin po, na Chief ng Medical Department ng Social Work. Ayun po. Ngayon naman po ay kakapanayan po natin si ayun po, makapanayan po natin si Ma'am Alexandria. Ang question ko po is, ano po yung advice and na mabibigay niyo po sa mga students po nandito?
For our incoming interns, of course, ito na yung haharap sila sa realidad ng buhay. And ang mapapayo ko sa kanila, bukod sa galingan nila, lakasan nila yung loob nila, and always uphold the dignity and integrity sa trabaho, sa internship. Baunin nila lahat ng mga learnings nila sa 4 na sulok ng kwarto mula nung sila yung nag-aaral sa atin dito sa CMU. Alam ko na malaki na ang mga napag-aralan nila sa mga classrooms, but then again, iba kasi ang buhay kapag nag-internship ka na, yung pagtatrabaho sa labas ng CMU, iba siya. So, tibay ng loob at integrity and dignity sa pagtatrabaho. Yun lang. Congrats mga interns natin ng 4th year.
Maraming salamat po, ma'am. Ayan, ngayon naman ay may estudyante naman tayong mga panayam about sa internship. Hello po, ano pong name po ninyo?
My name is Jenny Lubina Barosa po.
Ang question po namin is, ano po yung ma-look forward nyo sa internship na ikakaharap nyo ngayong
So, yung nilo-look forward ko is, ano pa kasi, from the beginning, interested na ako sa medical field. So, syempre, yung ina-expect or nilo-look forward ko dun is kung ano ba yung nangyayari inside the hospital and ano pa ba yung mga ginagawa ng social work. Kasi kahit 4th year na ako, when it comes to medical field, mas malalim pa kasi yung trabaho ng social work. So, gusto ko pa na mas mapalawak yung kaalaman ko doon at mas maraming matutunan na magagamit ko talaga in my, registered social worker na.
Last na po, ano po yung message ninyo sa kapwa nyo po mga OJT po na magiging intern din po this year?
So, balik kasi sa OJT namin sa medical field, four lang talaga kami. So, medyo nag-back out yung iba kasi natakot sila. Kasi nga, totoo naman na when it comes to medical field, masyadong, fast-paced yung yung galaw ng clients. So, siguro nandun lang din yung tadakan yung loob. Kasi ako talaga, personally, na-pressure din talaga ako kay Ma'am Madonna. Kasi yun talaga yung sinabi niya na when it comes to medical field, mataas yung standard niya. So, tatagan lang yung loob. Tsaka, hindi naman nag-iisa sa hindi naman nag-iisa sa internship na nandito kami at magkakaibigan kami. So, nandun lang din yung sandalan. At huwag kalimutan na kaya ng bawat isa.
Ayun po. Thank you so much at congratulations po. Ayan. Next naman po ay isa pa pong student na graduate po. Ano po yung name ninyo?
Ako po si Princess Anne P. Benino po.
Ano po yung message niyo po sa mga interns since graduate na po kayo, like na go through na kayo sa na-experience nila? Ano po yung message ninyo at ma-advise?
Ang masasabi ko lang po sa mga interns po natin ngayon na kung ano man po yung napag-aralan nila from first year to third year ay gawin po nilang knowledge or ground kapag nasa isa po silang ground po ng internship. Dahil kapag internship po kasi hindi na po yan basta-basta reporting lang, aral-aral lang. Diyan nyo na po makukuha or mamimit po yung mga totoong tao, yung mga totoong kliyente, totoong buhay, totoong pangyayari, kung ano nga ba talaga ang nangyayari sa isang individual at isang komunidad. Dapat po maging handa po sila mentally, physically, and especially po financially dahil ang pagiging social work din po ay isang magastos po. So ayun po, lahat po ng natutunan nila ay gawin po nilang aral at practice po sa isang community po.
Maraming salamat, Miss Princess. Thank you po. So ayan ang mga nakapanayam natin at nangyaring ngayon sa 3rd pinning and vesting ceremony ng social work. Natapos na rin ang MOA signing at naging isang makabuluhan ang nangyari dito at natunay ang espesyal ang okasyon na to dahil hindi lang ito ang hakbang pero simula rin ito ng mas malaki pa nilang kinabukasan. Ako si Jillian Zuniga ng CMU iConnect, konektado para sa kabataang Balabueno.
Si Ma'am Madonna.
Interview.
Ayun po, ito lang po.
Maging witty na lang sa mamaya. Sa outro. Okay, sorry. Tanggalin na to. Tanggalin, lapit ako. Balik ko?
Ako po ang si Lilian Ortega, ang siyang partner. Ang ginagawa ko para sa kabataan, malagyan niyo.
Game?